So I thought I was done filming today, and then I checked my mail and I got a package from INT with their Supreme glitters. So I got rose quartz, moonstone, and aquamarine. Oh my god. Wow. This is the first time I opened this. I just like literally, I have to swatch them right now because I'm super excited to see how they go on. Okay. Where are we here? Here we are. Oh, I'm gonna use the, oh my god. It's so concentrated. It's so concentrated. Just taking it out of the lid here. Wow. It's like paint. Absolutely amazing color. I've got like hardly any on my brush. I think I'm gonna have to do my toes. That's so pretty. This is the rose quartz. Oh, that is so nice. Next one up is aquamarine. Oh my god. I had these upside down by accident in my bag. I just took them out, but I was super excited, so that's my fault. I think what I'm going to do is use my silicone tool to, I'd hate to waste it. It's so beautiful. Really highly concentrated, and it's got like a background color, so a pigmented base gel. So it goes on like super saturated and you can't see through those glitters. Yeah, that's way too much gel to waste. And then I'll just clean off the top. All right. Okay, let's watch this next one. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I wish I had clear tips, but literally like more than half of my nail stuff is still in Alberta. I only have what people send me now to do videos. Oh, that is so nice. Such a thin, like, it's like a thinner application than even like a piece of paper. It's so nice. I'm just gonna take this out of here. Oh, so beautiful. I love that. I think I might do my toes that blue. We'll have to see. Maybe I'll do multicolor toes. Not sure yet. Here we have moonstone. The same thing with this one. I'm just gonna clean off my tool first. Always a good idea. Don't want to mix. Okay, let's swatch the moonstone. This is just so beautiful. Get my camera to stop moving. This, like these Supreme glitters, you could embed them if you wanted to, but you can definitely put them on top of a sculpted nail and you wouldn't add any thickness whatsoever. So it'd be perfect application. And then you can just top coat it. Oh, I kind of want to do like matte over top of this. I think it'd be so cool, but because this is a color swatch, I can't do that, but maybe on myself. I'll have to check it out. Oh, moonstone, rose quartz, and aquamarine. Oh, I can't wait to like use these on real fingers. Okay, so I decided to do a little quick nail art. So I'm going to do the aquamarine, then I think rose quartz, and moonstone. They just go on so nice. I just can't even believe it. I've actually never had a gel like this before. This is my very first time having like such a concentrated glitter. Okay. So I think what I'll do is I'll use my ombre brush and just feather it just a little bit. There's not really much on here, so I don't really need to. I like literally, it's like more than paper thin application on there. Okay, I'm just gonna cure it quickly and then I'll come back and do some art on it. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do after this has been cured is I'm going to use Midnight Black and cover the whole nail. This is their gel paint that they sent me. Oh, sorry. Didn't realize it was out of frame. Okay. I'm gonna leave that uncured. And I'm gonna use this silicone tool. And I'm just gonna wipe away some of the gel. This works really good. I normally would put like a slip layer down, but I didn't have to with this. Works really well. So I'm going to cure that. I can never decide when I'm finished, but I think I'm done now. I'm going to stop. I'm going to go in with my Supreme Shine. Oh, so pretty.